So today I'm going to be upgrading the internal hard drive on my late 2015 27-inch 5K iMac. Currently it has a 1TB SATA drive, which is pretty slow by today's standards. So I'm going to be upgrading that to a 1TB solid state drive. But we are going to be utilizing the M.2 port within the iMac, and we're going to keep the SATA drive as an internal backup. So as you know, to get anything done within the iMac, that screen's going to have to come off. So let's get stuck in. So to get started, we're going to need our little pizza cutter wheel, and we're going to gently pop it into the edge of the screen, and we'll slowly work our way around, taking our time, just so that we don't do any damage to the screen itself or crack the display or anything like that. So we'll just take it slow and steady, and we'll work our way around until all the adhesive is nice and loose. I'm going to cut away from here now. I'm going to continue to work away on the screen, and we'll come back once the screen is off. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and removed the screen. I've also gone ahead and taken the time to remove any excess adhesive from around the edge, also from around the edge of the display. For the moment I have it just down on a soft surface, just to keep it safe. Just to remember, when you are removing the screen, tilt it slightly towards you, and there are two cables to disconnect from here and from here. So just remember, slightly tilt it out, disconnect those two display cables, and then you can gently remove the rest of the display and put it away safely. So to get access to the Blade SSD, which is hiding in behind here, we need to actually dismantle all the internals. So I'm going to go ahead and get stuck in, and we'll start by removing the speaker. logic board. All the screws and things have been put away and kept in order because these screws are in different lengths. So here's our port. So I'm going to be using a Sabrent Rocket 1 terabyte drive, but as you know, it doesn't fit. So I've also gone ahead and got our adapter. I'll link everything in the description. And this should slide right in. And once that's in, we can also slide in our drive. And I'll pop that and secure it in nice and securely. So we just need to pop in our screw now. Okay, so I had to put down the camera for a second just to get that in nice and secure. So our drive is in, it's secure. So now it's time to go ahead and put everything back together, guys. So the iMac is put back together. The SSD I had pre-formatted it and transferred my data. So we're now booted up, ready to go. So just to give you guys an idea of the speeds we're looking at, here's a screenshot of what we were getting before. So we're looking at about 154 write speed and 169 read speed. So let's go ahead and do a new test. We'll see how we're getting on. Perfect. So that's a huge increase. So we're now looking at 2.7 gigs almost and 2.5 gigs read and write speed. So that's massive improvement. Boot time previously, we were looking at about 2.5 to 3 minutes from a cold start to log in. And now we're under 25 seconds. So this type of thing, I would definitely recommend making the upgrade if you are using a standard SATA drive. It is a bit tricky taking off the screen, but definitely the speed tests speak for themselves. Definitely well worth the upgrade. I'll go ahead and I'll link the items that I used, including the toolkit from iFixit, in the description. And yeah, looking good.